right now. Thank you both so much for understanding and just being so supportive. I really do appreciate it. You guys are the best.
You are so welcome. I'm so excited for you on this new adventure. And I really hope, you're able to start this new chapter free and clear and doing exactly what you want to do for yourself.
Yes.
Not for anybody else.
Thank you so much.
Exactly.
You're welcome.
I can't wait.
Today is closing day, y'all. Selling our home. Got our gifts for our realtors. Look at baby. Uh-huh.
It's only like I'm about to sign some important paperwork.
You look like you about to beat the case. You look like a lawyer. Today is the day, guys. Today is the day, and it is happening. All right? We've been waiting so long for it to happen, and now it's here. I don't even know what to do with myself. I'm going to be real with you. I don't know what to do with myself. I know that my allergies have been driving me crazy. My nose is snotty, probably full of boogers, and I'm just hoping, that situation gets rectified, because to be having allergies like this, man, it's miserable. I don't even know what I'm allergic to in Texas. You know what? I do know. I think I'm allergic to my dogs. But I'm not getting rid of my dogs. That's crazy. That's crazy. Right.
Oh, no problem. We've seen yours. I promise. Thank you. Let's see. Oh, this looks like it's mine because it's smaller. Oh, period. This is so cute.
It is. I was like, please make it cute.
Real cute.
Wait, she snuck on my shoe size.
Because I'm wondering how
Right.
She confirmed it multiple times. It's on random.
No, this one that was in the closet. When it was in the closet.
It is in the closet.
What size do you wear? Oh.
Okay, damn. I should have got the 11.
Yeah.
It was like 10
Oh my
sounds
god,
good.
these are so cute.
I was like, now you can.
Well, there's a receipt. You could take it back to get your size, though.
But you'll have to get an 11 because they don't have half size.
Yeah, they don't.
So now you'll be comfy, cozy.
Yeah.
Your hard-working feet.
Right.
Because y'all know my feet be hurt.
I know. And them dress shoes, I know.
Right. Make me rub her feet all the time.
No, he literally put lotion on my foot this morning, and I was like, oh, my foot is sore.
My feet were sore last night.
This morning.
Thank you so much.
Yes, of course.
They're beautiful.
That's realtors ever.
Thank you.
Man, it is currently 10:08. It is 10:08, y'all. November 5th. And I clocked out about 6 minutes ago from work. Because as y'all know, I work from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Friday, but tonight is my last night of work. Oh my goodness, it's been a busy day, y'all. It has been a busy freaking day. Today we were supposed to close on our home, but there was a little hiccup with the paperwork that the buyer was supposed to provide, so we did not close yet. But needless to say, we're closing tomorrow. We closing tomorrow. We is closing tomorrow, y'all. Oh my goodness, we closing tomorrow. So, I'm actually about to pack up my computer because I do have the shipping box right there. And the computer is right here. So, yeah, I'm just like, wow, I'm really about to pack up this computer, y'all. I've been working on this job, at this job since December of 2023. And yeah, it's been cool. It's been convenient. Like, I cannot stress enough how bomb this job was. I think out of all the jobs I've ever worked, this one had to been the most clutch, like the most clutch, the most convenient, the most cush, like just the whole nine. I mean, and granted, I really did not have, you know, my nights to go out and do different things during the week or even on Friday nights, but that was super cool, right? I love my schedule. Working swing shifts, it's chef's kiss. Like, are you serious? What? I would take a swing shift on this job any day. Okay, any day. My managers, both my managers, super clutch, just amazing individuals, super supportive, and I appreciate both of them so much. If you're watching, thank you. If it wasn't for y'all, a lot of things that perspired last year and on up until this date would not have been as smooth as it has been without you guys' support. So thank y'all so much. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to pack this computer up. I don't even know what to do myself. Jesus. I don't even know what to do with myself. I am like extremely, see, I'm tired, boss. I'm extremely exhausted. Me and baby have been literally busy from sunup to sundown, and it's been super late nights and super early mornings for the past like 2 weeks. I'm surprised we're still operating and we're still sane with how much sleep we are getting or not getting. Up in the middle of the night or in the wee hours of the morning between like 1 and 4 in contact with like the Thai quarantine station or the Thai embassy or Qatar Airways. Like, I'm just as tired as they are, and they don't even have a job. I'm just as beat as they are. And I know they twice as tired, or probably 10 times more tired than me, because they're completely out of their element, completely out of the environment that they're both like used to. So they're just like antsy. Anytime I move, they move. Anytime my wife moves, they move. They like, y'all ain't about to leave us. We following you from foot to foot because we need to know what you're doing, where you're going. Like, hold on now. Hold on. But I wanted to pop in and give y'all another update because, like I said, I'm documenting this journey. But yeah, so I am about to pack this stuff up. About to pack this computer up. I'm about to pack my cat card up. I'm about to pack up all this stuff, y'all. And then tomorrow I'm gonna drop off my badge and stuff at the location of where our headquarters is. Well, I'm gonna just say where our office is. But yeah, y'all. I'm tired, boss. I'm tired. But needless to say, me and wifey, we getting stuff done, y'all. Like, just to see everything unfold, everything that we've just been so anxious about, and just like, you know, planning after planning after planning, and then it finally coming into fruition, and we're finally like going after and sticking to the plan. It's like, wow, like, this is crazy. Every time I pop in and give y'all an update, I'm gonna say it every time because I'm just like, wow, like, it's really happening. But needless to say, so many things to do, so little time, like I told y'all. And now it's 10:14. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done, y'all. And I'm gonna pop back in with y'all because I'm tired, tired. But more to come.
Hello, thank you.
Every time I pull it out my bag, I'm like,
super cute.
Yes. And don't catch me scrambling.
God, I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. And you took my love. Didn't I tell you what I believe? Did somebody say that?